Good morning, fam, and happy Friday. Our latest will be about developments in Tembisa as well as MK Party. MK members are removing illegal foreigners from companies and helping SA citizens to find jobs. MK leaders were in Tembisa over the past 2 days assisting South African citizens in securing jobs. They visited different companies, removed illegal foreigners, and forced those companies to appoint South African citizens. This operation has been going on for long within MK Party. We've seen it happening in KZN, and it seems like they are not going to stop anytime soon. Most South African citizens are really happy with this action because many of them really got jobs on the spot, and now they'll be able to feed their families. Check all the developments in the next slide, and remember to leave your comments down below to let us know of your take on this. And that's all we have for now. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you again in the next update. Bye.
Let's do this without a waste of time. We've heard that you want fitter antenna, milling, cutting, and all that. We'll go back to our constituency and say, guys, here are the people that are being requested in that company. If we've got, then we can take
Send
those
them
people.
to me.
No, we'll do it in front of you. We'll put you here. We need transparency. We don't play the background strategy. Do in front of you. And we will really appreciate in front of to say thank you so much, owners of the company, so that at least you must be known, to say at least you are working with the community. That's what we want.
Yeah, for sure.
And again, remember, we've got other people who don't have that skill. So let's look at, out of that, maybe three.
Maybe one, maybe two labor.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'll be honest, we don't have enough work.
Yes, let's make it 7 skill if we have, then 2 labor.
That one's 6.
Yeah, we take
Let's
them
say
out.
7. Yeah, 7. Okay, that's fine. Thank you so much.
We replace the guys.
Can you get your number, please?
Can I have your number as well?
Yes.
Okay, take my number 082.
Let me just.
08. We're not gonna vote. You understand? Let us be clear about it. Our people must get jobs. So please, it's your task. It's your task. We'll make a call, or else we'll come. Physically, so we'll come and make sure that our people are being given an opportunity. We don't want to see you.
And then it's contact.
And then it's contact. If
If
actually, no, Futi never contact. We'll come, Tina.
Yeah.
Unannounced. We'll come unannounced to make sure that you guys, even the ones that already ran away. How many were they? About 4 or 5. 2. So 5 of you will replace with South Africans. There's one, eh? China. Done. Thank you so much, my sister.
No
the
problem.
electricians.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So I need to say now. Let's assist each other quickly. Bakhona abantu abazi emailing ne-feature antenna nani la. Do we have? Do we have? Imani. Akhuluma umuntu one unless ufuna ukulindana. Mamelani bafowethu asizwaneni. Ukhona umuntu owazi i-feature antenna ne-milling ne-cutting la. Okay, woza mfethu. Ubani omunye? Woza. Woza. Iskill letha sikhuluma ngaso angithi. Iskill letha sikhuluma ngaso. Ciao. We don't want uMontanas no Carlos. City sileta abantu and people they are lying. We don't want to be in that predicament. You can't come here towards the fetal chat. Must you are fetal They don't have time for that. Bafuni production abantu. So, Jobani la nyayazi fetal intent. Nyayazi milling. Nyayazi wogeleta abadadinga. Nyayazi. Okay. Now what we'll do here, guys, we'll do this. We'll take their names and Fudua. Let's come up with 5 of them. Then bese siza kule 2 yabantu besifazane. We'll never leave Imbokodo outside. Abantu besifazane as laborers. We need only 2. I think Carlos, let's make it 3, my friend. Let's make it 3. 3 laborers.
3 females.
Let's make it 3, guys. Nezo siyayipusha le. I said 2, my sense 3. Again. 3 ama laborers. Nakhona will do the same. Sinamabox process ihamba kanjalo, but kulaba ngoba they've got skill kuzothathwa amagama kweziphepha bafake iphepha ensifudiwe ngoba you are over 5 here. So out of nina njoba ni 7 or 8 you need 5.
Okay, asibambeni kuhluka.
Yeah. Yes, yande bafethu. Abantu obhalisa amagama sizoyizifudiwa. Then kulaba ke ibox ulo makasana wena ibu process. Se process wena ke sidila nalaba ababafunayo ama labor out 3 abantu besifazane women, ne? So we'll do the same fudiwa again. 3 women. Yeah. Yeah. Naleli siyasebenza naleli. No. 2 la. 2. 2 la 1 lapha ngithi lapha made in 5. 2 la.
Nomfundo Khumalo.
Yimla. What's Nomfundo?
It was a day today. Something was too.
Dion, open him.
Siyamfuna apartment colors siyamfuna.
Dion,
Indoda, wesilisa.
Hayi isilisa indoda. Isilisa hayi. No, not isilisa sifuna umama. Biza.
Patience Duma.
Patience Duma was assist. Was. Right, vala la. Oh, iphepha semanje wasifuna. Siyabonga ngobese. Out. Sandisiwe Qoboka. Sandisiwe Qoboka. Again. Yeah, when I'm done. Yes, Sandisiwe Qoboka ukhona.
Phakamisa isandla mawukhona.
Phakamisa isandla mawukhona.
Hayi umfana.
Siye Temika.
Hayi umfana la
Umfana lo Temika umfana.
Siyethemba.
Try ayinagama nasibonga.
Noma izigama.
Kwa iya kikiki. Hayi lana.
Why kikiki? Right. Amelani ke nina no 3 ne. Shonani la phaya. Right, asizwaneni ke comrade. We are continuing, angithi. Sebafikile lapha ngithi. We are going back there. Basile la. We want to say thank you very much. Carlos. Tony Montana. Make sure it's going forward. You tell them. If they find that they are not so that we find another. They are fine, maybe that's not okay. Come.
Somaleza mhlathi. Somaleza mhlathi. Woza.
Hambo kali queue, the rest will follow you. Therefore izolandela.
Now, okay.
Hambo malapha ba. Bese laba bantu serious.
Sanile Timba.
Mele bangapha nithi laba. Right? Fuduka mfethu, ngathi ufuduka. Yeah. Ungathi uthatha nje phezulu. Yeah.
Forklift le fake phephe kwakini.
Forklift. Yeah, forklift to one side.
Tipis Velosala.
Nasi namhlanje nababa.
Madoda ndile Nkumanda.
Nangi ayilayini. 3 shota
3 ne?
2.
Shota kaki? 2. Tebele.
Siphelele bani.
Pelele Nomeva.
Pelele
Nomeva.
Shota 1.
Elokugcina ne? Nalilawo.
Usitheke bashe.
Yena layinini
Hambani ke bafowethu, hambani ke.
Asambeni ke se-
Now, you get in here, from here, that side, there's no condo. Condo is outside. You go here, you think of your family, you think of your child, your son, your daughter. You go and work to survive. You don't go there and bring politics. There's no politics here. The politics is here, outside. You can do your politics now. All the rules of the company, Tina, we are not part of it. They will give their rules. What time is the lunch? What time is the tea time? And the rate and all that. And the knock-off time. But obviously, we come in a when it comes to our rates, we don't want people to be exploited where you underpay them and all that. So on that one, then maybe we can come. But we want the transparency, people. You go and make Umkhonto Wesizwe shine here.
Yes.
So that Carlos and Montalas must say, you know what? Members of Umkhonto Wesizwe, they can work. We want to take this mentality of saying South African are lazy. We are not lazy. Are we clear? Yeah. So go and make us proud. Carlos, thank you so much. Tomorrow they will come, obviously, for checking. What's on check about it? Maufenile out. 2. Tomorrow these 2. Abawala bazozangolesi hlanu.
That's it, yeah.
2. Okay, then all one can take 3 once Friday. Yeah. So 2 will come tomorrow. Where's the lady? 1. Upamunya. No, it's okay. Where's the other ladies? Where's the other ladies? So on Monday, Nina no 3.
Monday, 7 o'clock.
Please make
company.
Nothing that you fail to please make us proud. Because you are closing other people's opportunity.
And respect.
DJ.
Osahleli endlini usenethemba le-politicians libala mntasekhaya. Abantu ngabantu abatsha abasethembisa aba bebebizwe yilakho enkosi kwilakho guys, bebebizwe yilakho bazofaka i-CV. Abantu abayi-200 bawufumene umsebenzi namhlanje nothi kudala. So le narrative i-politicians zethu zithi akho msebenzi eSouth Africa, i-stats is 65%. No, ibino-reducer la number ngoba kukhutshwa i-foreign nationals. Abantu bafumana i-decent wage. Engejani bantu abatsha guys, umsebenzi ukhona eSouth Africa. I'm against that narrative that akho msebenzi. Ukhona umsebenzi eSouth Africa. Look at this, 200 eSouth Africa namhlanje. Kune-South African young people abazolala besazi banemisebenzi. How much more babe kunongena nakwezinye indawo? Let's engage guys, let's fight for our country. Umsebenzi ekhaya South Africa ukhona, ayikho loo nto, masiyibuleleni, ukhona umsebenzi. Let's keep on fighting for this country. Asinayo enye choice.
Akwethu nani bodadewethu siyanibongela kakhulu ngokuthi nithola amathuba emisebenzi, ningadlali ngomsebenzi, ningezi ngebhena lomkhonto nithi nizopolitika la ngaphakathi. Siyazwana ngithi you are here to work and make sure ukuthi you feed your family. Angiyazwana ne? So umthetho walathi namase siphumile nabo comrade Re asisekho lapho. Sekuyicompany, the lady she'll be the one who gives you induction on Tina, we won't be there. If she decides to fire you when you come drunk, she must fire you. You understand? If she decides to fire you when you fight at work, it's an instant dismissal. They will fire you. That's what. So you come here, we are so blessed among 100 people. So go here and work. On Monday, Seattle, which is Monday, Nizosa Nachi. Why is it now? As soon when we come here, you see different faces. You see more than the number that we gave you. When we come here, we want the very same faces. Corporate secretary, assist, take their names. On Monday when we meet here by the gate at, what time to start work? 7. We meet here at 4:07. You don't come at 7. You come 4:07 at work, and it, so that we can convey to the boss to say, here are the people, yes, to say, here are the people that we've been given you, and the boss will give you induction and
Order.
Secondly,
One meeting.
that, yeah, they are working abnormal hours. I hope the department has already sorted out in terms of working normal hours. You understand? In terms of rates, I know that maybe there were big discrepancies on the rates. Maybe also the department will sort the issue of the rates. Are we all in agreement? Thank you. Lastly, angithi sisaqhubeka manje asithi nina nishiye ngoba senjona umsebenzi. Siyazwana ngithi comrade Mamelani, asithi masisuka la ngoba nina senjona umsebenzi senapunyuka niphuma kanje sibhekile ozopunyuka la ngoba sayofunyela abantu umsebenzi akithi naba bakhona. So sihamba nani. Siyazwana ningashiya on
Aba warga stadium. Stadium, Mawana Stadium. Yeah. No. What's what's better than Baba? What's what's better than Baba? Motra kalwana kamar shapen le kizama motra warle averega. Averegi.
Los piyale mapoise nangithi. Babephilo phonsolo vela nangithi. Ngishobe skideva la ithembisa sijiki. Lalelani ke. Bathi ngibuye ngizoba imeya yenu nithini nina? Bathi ngibuye ngizoba imeya yenu nithini nina? Masithatha lelizwe leli lasekhuleni. Akuna foreigner losebenza la. Akuna illegal foreigner lohamba ngisho emgwaqeni la. Siyabosha ngisho lo mbakotho njengoba bamkhona zipho Phezulu ngamaphoyisa konke njengokuthi phezulu. Phansi ngoramaphoyisa phansi. Phansi ngoramaphoyisa phansi. Phansi ngeDepartment of Labour phansi. Phansi Department of Labour phansi. Amanda. Awethu. Umamdali wase-South Africa qina. Umamdali wase-South Africa qina. Amanda. No corporate angibingelele. Ngeke ngisithathe isikhathi eside kakhulu 3 minutes kuyobe mkhulu kakhulu. Siyafisa ukubingelela. Woza Nkululeko. Sithi woza Nkululeko. Woza Nkululeko. Sithi woza Nkululeko. Woza Nkululeko. Sithi woza Nkululeko.
Another company eqasha ama-foreign national iyavalwa njengamanje, siyakhiphile ama-foreign national with the immediate effect. Naba abaphathi benkampani they have confirmed that as from tomorrow they are going to hire South African citizens. We did confirm that as from tomorrow we are going to hire South African citizens. Are we fine? Okay, thank you very much.
Seshaforeni lakho isifikile phama msebenzi. Sithi seshaforeni lakho isifikile phama msebenzi. Sithi seshaforeni lakho isifikile phama msebenzi. Sithi seshaforeni lakho isifikile phama msebenzi. Izosisa abasebenzi. Seshaforeni lakho isifikile phama msebenzi. Izosisa abasebenzi. South Africa.
Angithi we've started this program, get discipline. Yes. So we'll finish it, get discipline. Yes. Unless if onguwa okanye abathengise kwabantu abamnyama who think they are smart. Yes. I'm talking about this gentleman. He thinks he's smart. Yes. So we'll show him how powerful we are. Bathi ngesizulu amandla asemasebeni. Bathi amandla asemasebeni. Now we came here politely so. Siza nabantu bomthetho. Here are they to show ukuthi we are disciplined. Now when we came here, we get a resistance, thinking that maybe as we are standing here, we are animals. Or maybe we are foreigners. We are not foreigners in our country. Firstly, we know why are they closing here. They've done a crime. These people need to be arrested.